Hello everyone, welcome to the 9th episode of Slideshow. Today I'll show you two kinds of paper airplane that I can fold. First, there is a white paper. You need to fold it in half lengthways, like this. Then turn the paper and fold it like this. Nice and sharp. Fold it again. Then fold it again. We're not folding again now because if so, it's too sharp. Let's go to the next piece. Fold. Yes. Nice and sharp again. Fold. Nice. As you can see, we'll fold it again and the paper airplane should be done. This, I call it FIREBOLT number 2 because one of my friends made one called FIREBOLT number 1. No, it's just called FIREBOLT, so I made number 2. The next one I want to show you is called SKYDIVER. First, you fold it like this. Yes, the first step is done. Then you fold it like that. To this step, it's kind of like FIREBOLT number 2, except it's shorter. I need it. Yes, a triangle. Then fold it twice. So it will look like this. Same as this. Wait a second. Fold it twice. So this is called the SKYDIVER, but it's just a rough draft because it's actually not that good. I'll show SKYDIVER Plex in the next video. Bye bye.